Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 23. Which of the following statements about threshing of rice are true? You have three statements. 1. Rice grains are separated from the panicle. 2. Breakage of some grains could occur. 3. The grains are polished. So option A, 1 and 2 only. B, 1 and 3 only. C, 3 and 2 only. D, 1, 2 and 3. Now I ask what is true about threshing of rice. And threshing of rice involves, it's a procedure that involves separating grains from panicles without removing the husk. Now it is usually or manually done by beating the grain using a flail on a threshing floor. So it's more or less like beating the grain on the floor. So that is how threshing of rice is true. Now let's look at the statement. Now, like as we said, rice grains are separated from the panicle, and that is covered in the statement, separation of the grains from the panicle. So statement 1 is true. Now B says breakage of some grains could occur. Now this is actually true because of the mechanical process involved in this procedure. While beating the grain on the floor, some of the grains could break. So option statement 2 is also true as it regards threshing of rice. Now option statement 3 says the grains are polished. Now these statements cannot be directly linked to the threshing of rice, as the main aim of rice threshing is just to separate the grains from the panicles. So the third one, grains are polished, is not true concerning threshing of rice. So statements 1 and 2 only is true. Statement 1 and 2 only is option A. So A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.